Apple introduced a new M1 MacBook Pro in November of 2020, but new model did not include any design changes. That's going to change in 2021, with the rumor suggesting Apple has major MacBook Pro design refresh in the work. The 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models that come in 2021 will feature most significant design overhaul to the MacBook Pro line that we have seen since 2016, and the updated machines will also address complaints about users had with the MacBook Pro for years by bringing back older features that include MagSafe, more ports, and physical function key. The rumors in this video we have sourced from the Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. Both provide accurate insight in the Apple's plan. MacBook Pro 2021 design. Apple has both updated 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models in the work. The 14-inch MacBook Pro models will replace the current 13.3-inch model, while 16-inch model will replace the existing 16-inch versions that are available. Both of the new models that are coming expected to feature some notable design changes. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes the new models will feature flat edge design change that's similar to the iPhone 12. MacBook Pro 2021 display. Gurman believes the new MacBook Pro models will feature display improvement in the form of brighter, higher contrast panels. And the past of the rumors, Kuo suggested that the updated machine will be the first Mac with the mini LED display, marking a significant improvement in the display quality. Kuo made no mention of the mini LED technology in his most recent reports. It is possible that the features has been delayed until a later date. In spite of this, a recent report from the Digitime has suggested that the new MacBook Pro models will indeed feature mini LED display. Apple could launch new MacBook Pro model with the HDMI port and SD card reader. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, he also suggests that the upcoming MacBook Pro could have several notable design changes as well as specification upgrade. Apart from the possible addition mentioned above, Kuo also predicts that the company could be working on the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro, which model may be also come with the flat edge form factor similar to the iPhone 12 series. As per the report by the Mac Rumors, Apple may bring out the new MacBook Pro model this year with the handy SD card reader and HDMI port. Kuo says that the Apple's two new MacBook Pro models in the second half of 2021 will have the several significant design changes and specifications, while Kuo suggests that the second half of 2021 release date for the new MacBook Pro lineup. It should be noted that the Apple hasn't officially confirmed any release date and specification detail for this year MacBook Pro series. Earlier in January, Kuo predicted that the Apple may launch 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro laptops later this year, possibly powered by the Apple's own M1 and rumored M1X processor. The upcoming MacBook Pro models may support a flat edge form factor as seen on the new iPhone 12 model. Kuo also suggests that the new laptop may carry OLED touch bar and come with a physical function key. The analyst also said that the new MacBook Pro may replace USB Type-C charging port with the MagSafe charging connector. Apple also launched battery replacement program for some MacBook Pro models earlier this month. The plan is aimed to replacing battery unit on the 2016 and 17 MacBook Pro models that are not charging past 1%. If your laptop is currently facing similar issue and is eligible under the program, you can get the touch with Apple support and get faulty battery replaced free of cost.